Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove the suggested people on Messenger. So if you guys are wondering how to remove the suggested on Facebook Messenger, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to remove this step by step. So what we actually need to do in order for us to disable this option that we keep on seeing is just go ahead and launch the Messenger application and then tap on your settings right here and then proceed to the option to access your phone contacts. So once we're already here, I want you to go ahead and actually locate that option. So what we have over here as what I'm seeing is the accessibility, the active status and stuff like that as well. So basically what you guys should see over here is the option to access your phone contacts. Now, if you have suggested friends actually enabled and you actually have this enabled on your account, you will see the option for us to access the phone contacts right here, right above or right below the notifications and sounds. In my case, on my account, I don't really have suggested friends or the suggested option showing on mine. So it's not really showing me the option to turn it off since it's already turned off. So in this case, on your devices, you should see the option to access your phone contacts right on this section. Once you're there, I want you to proceed with tapping on that and then disabling the phone contacts, because that is the sole reason as to why we have this suggested friends over on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to go ahead and disable this, just go ahead and tap on that and turn it off and we are good to go. That is essentially all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, take care, and I will see you on the next video.